Did you know that some factors during a crime can affect how well a witness remembers the suspect, but we can't change those later?
Yes, those are called estimator variables, like stress and weapon focus, which narrow attention during traumatic events, making it harder to recall faces accurately.
I heard people are usually better at recognizing faces of their own race, which is called the cross-race effect, right?
Exactly, because people generally have more exposure to their own racial group, subtle facial differences are easier to spot, improving identification accuracy.
How about things like lighting or how long the witness sees the suspect? Do those matter too?
Definitely. Poor lighting, long distance, or disguises can reduce accuracy, while clear, close, and longer views help witnesses identify suspects better.
And I guess the longer the time between the crime and identification, the less accurate the memory gets?
That's right. Memory fades over weeks and months, which significantly decreases identification accuracy.
Are there things law enforcement can control to improve accuracy during identification?
Yes, system variables include lineup construction with fillers matching the suspect's description, so the suspect doesn't stand out unfairly.
I heard instructions matter too. Witnesses should know the suspect might not even be in the lineup to avoid pressure, right?
Correct. Also, double-blind procedures prevent the administrator from unintentionally influencing the witness during the lineup.
What about showing suspects one at a time instead of all together?
That's called a sequential lineup, which encourages witnesses to make absolute judgments rather than just picking the closest match.
Is there any importance to how confident witnesses feel right after they make an identification?
Yes, recording immediate confidence is key because confidence expressed later can be inflated by feedback or other influences.
Speaking of feedback, can it change how witnesses remember the event after they identify someone?
Absolutely. Confirmatory feedback can boost a witness's confidence even if they were unsure initially, which can distort memory over time.
Do witnesses talking to each other or seeing media coverage affect their memories too?
Yes, co-witness contamination and repeated questioning or media exposure can blend memories or cause source confusion about where they recognized someone from.
So, even confident witnesses at trial might not always be accurate because their confidence can be influenced after the fact?
Exactly, only the confidence expressed immediately after the first identification somewhat predicts accuracy, which is why understanding these factors is so important.